welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and like, go ahead and comment down below after you're done watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that post notification bell and set it to the all setting so you will not miss any of my latest videos. I post videos every first and third Sundays now, so stay tuned. Today, let's get right into this video. I'm not going to keep you long, but I'm going to show you how I do my braids, plaits, or you can call it knotless braids or box braids on natural hair, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. I already started the back and this right side. I'm going to finish up the left side. But normally, as you know, I love Shea Moisture products, and I still do. But today, I wanted to try out an old favorite of mine I forgot about, but I found it at the Dollar General today. The Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. And I must say, this is really working good for this braid style. I really like the texture of this product. So, I'm going to be using this. And I have me a comb. Rattail Comb, and I have a little bit of my Cream of Nature Perfect Edges Argan Oil for my edges. It's edge tamer. So, and I have my detangling brush and my edge brush. So let's get right into this video. It's not a tutorial. I'm just showing you all what I do and my style. I decided to have this protective style in my hair. Hopefully I can keep it in for a few weeks. But yeah, enjoy this video and thank you. you.